everyone, so ipapakita ko on how you can create Google form, okay, if you want to conduct an online survey. So first thing is you have to make sure that your Gmail account is signed in. So in my case, my Gmail account is signed in, and all I need to do is open my Google Drive. So meron ako dito, and then I also have it here, so I'll just choose this one here. So once you open your Google Drive, what you're going to do is you click New, and then click More, and then you choose Google Forms. Okay, so for the Google Forms, you choose a blank form. Okay, it's better to start on a blank form, but you can also consider the template. So click blank form. So here is a blank Google form. So the first thing that you need to do is to put a title. So what are you going to do with this form? So let's say, for example, you're going to ask information. So let's say, for example, information. Okay. Let's say, for example, personal information. And then if you're going to double click here, mapapalitan yung automatic, malalagay yung title ng form. So the first thing is you have to ask what are the things that you want to ask. So yung nandito sa side na to, ito yung makikita mo, ito yung mga i-click mo para maka-add ka ng question, makapag-import ka ng questions kung meron ka na nagawa before, add title, pictures, and so forth. So yung basic lang, mag-add tayo ng questions. So once you click that, okay, you here, okay, if you're going to click here, you have the different choices kung anong type ng question. So since we will be asking the name, so i-click ang pipiliin natin ay short answer. Okay, short answer. And then lagay natin dito, ano yung tinatanong natin, name. Tapos pwede natin lagay yung last name, yung last name, given name, and then MI. Okay. And then here, ilagay natin siya na required. So, ibig sabihin, every time you answer Google Form survey, di po may asterisk na red. So, ibig sabihin, you shouldn't skip that part. Dapat kailangan mo lagyan ng sagot. So, that's why, ilagay natin yung required. Okay, short answer. So, this is for question asking about the name. And if you want to add more question, i-click mo lang to. Okay, so i-click ulit. Yan. So, ayan. Magdagdag tayo ng address. Okay. So, doon sa address, pwede tayong ang anong maging gawin nating short answer then required. Tapos, gender. Mag-add lang tayo. Meron nang na-click dito, no? So, if you accidentally click ka ng question, parang ito, meron siyang question dyan, at hindi naman yan gusto mong tanggalin, all you need to do is click, and then lalabas dito sa baba, delete. Yan. So, magdagdag pa tayo ng question. This time naman is magiging, may choices sila, drop down, kagaya nung male or female, hindi na sila magta-type nun. So, lagay natin dito, gender, and then here, sa option nila, so pinili ko yung drop down, piliin nila ang, lagyan natin ng male, and then female. And then again, required yan. Gawin natin required. So, magdagdag pa tayo ng question. Let's say, for example, cell phone number, CP number. Yan. So, sa CP number, ang ilalagay natin dito should be short answer. And then, dito naman, you have to be checked here kasi CP number yan, automatic na didetect kasi ni Google na number ang kailangan mo dito. So, check mo mabuti, dapat number. Okay, number. It's a number. Okay, number. And number yan. Yung hinahanap mo is number siya. Hindi siya text. Or pwede ding regular expression. Pwede din. So, number ang lagay natin. Okay, and then click required. Yan. So, ano pa yung gusto mong malaman sa kanyang favorite food? Yan. Lagyan natin ng favorite food. Tapos, lagyan natin ng choices. Gawin natin multiple choice. Tapos, dito sa option, apple. Well, lang. Tapos, pwede tayong mag-insert ng image, add image. Then, pwede tayong mag-search sa Google Image Search na lang. Or, pwede ka mag-upload from your computer. So, lagyan natin ng apple dito. Okay, so magbibigay siya ng mga samples. So, click natin to. This one, I will choose this. Insert. So, doon sa choice ko na apple, meron siyang picture aside from this word. Next, lagyan natin pa ng cake. Okay, tapos lagyan natin ng insert, add image, Google's image search, type tayo ng cake. Cake. Ayan. And then, piliin natin to, insert. And then last, lagyan natin ng vegetables. Sample lang naman to. So, as you can see, you can also add pictures in the choices, especially kapag multiple choice yung iyong napili. So, let's say, for example, vegetables. Okay, vegetables. So, piliin natin to. Yan. So, insert na yan. So, let's say, for example, ito yung favorite food. And then, gawin natin required. Pipili siya ng isa lang. And then, maglagay tayo ng rate your happiness at this moment. Wala lang. Just a question na para magamit natin yung linear scale. So ito, let's say for example, gamitin natin yung linear scale. 1 would be the lowest, mababa yung happiness niya, and then 5 would be the highest. Yan. And then gawin natin required. So if okay na yung mga questions mo, okay, ang gagawin natin ngayon is gawin natin mas personalized. So dito sa customize theme, ang gawin natin is palitan natin yung theme, gawin natin yan. Tapos yung sa choose image, pag click natin yan, pwede tayong mag-upload ng sariling header or pwede tayong mamili dito sa mga theme. So let's say for example, piliin ko na lang itong this one here, insert. So dito sa may pinakataas, malalagyan siya ngayon ng design. So, and then you can also change the font style if you want. If you want it to be formal, okay, the color ng theme, gawin mo medyo light na purple, something like that. So, if okay na, before you send this, you have to check the settings part. This is very important. So, settings, click mo yung settings. And then, here, since I'm using my DepEd account, naka-check automatic na only those who have DepEd account ang pwedeng mag-access ng link. So, tatanggalin ko yan kasi I would like to make sure na it can be accessed by anyone. Okay? Ang ginagawa ko is I also require the email. Nasa sayo na kung gusto mong i-require yung email nila. Okay? Para ma-access nila yung link, kailangan may email sila. Gamitin, i-sign in nila yung email nila. Pero, kung gusto mong kahit wala na silang email, pwede i-uncheck mo yan. Uncheck it. So, yan. Naka-uncheck. Okay? So, pwede mo din i-limit yung response nila. Nasa sayo na yan. So, check mo yung lagi yan sa settings. And then, ayan. So, if okay na, click natin yung save. Okay, ganyan yung gusto kong ano. And then, for presentation, yan. So general yan. Sa presentation, dito yung ano, lalagyan natin ng congratulations. Pwede kang, maraming salamat. Sorry. Maraming salamat sa pagsagot. Sa pagsagot. Ayan. So, click save. Yan, click natin ng save. So, if okay na, now we can actually check kung ano yung tsura ng ating ginawang Google Forms. So, i-click natin itong preview. So, mag-open ng bagong window. So, ganito yung itsura niya. So, ibig sabihin, yung mga sasagot, ganito yung magiging viewing nila. Pwede mong i-click itong pencil icon dito kung gusto mong i-edit pa, baka may nagkamali ka. Or, pwede mo naman i-click dito. Bumalik ka na lang dito. I-close mo to. And then, balik ka dito. So, if okay naman na, walang problema, click send. And then, here, i-click natin tong link. And then, medyo mahaba ito, kaya i-shorten natin. Shorten link. And then, click copy. And then, you can now send it or paste the copied link to any social media. Pwedeng Facebook, pwedeng Google Classroom, pwedeng isend mo via email. Bahala ka na. So, to test if this link is working, even if, kasi doon sa ating setting, kahit na wala silang email, pwede lang ma-access yung link. So, i-check natin. Check lang natin. So, ang gagawin ko ay mag-open ako ng new incognito window. And then, i-paste ko yung link. Okay, paste ko yung link. So, ayan na. Okay. So, pwede ko na siyang lagyan ng pangalan ko. Let's say, for example, Soriano, Marian, D. And then, address, Lingayen, Pangasinan. And then, my gender would be female. And then, CP number 0912345678 9. Kunwari lang. And then, my favorite food would be cake. Yan. Tapos, anong happiness ko? Sabihin natin 5. Tapos, submit. And then, yun, mababasa niya, maraming salamat sa pagsagot. Now, if you want to check kung yung response ng mga sumagot doon sa survey, okay, pwede mong i-open ito sa Google Drive. Since hindi ko pa siya close, yan, nakikita mo dito mayroon ng nag-response. Yan. So, makikita mo yung gender, tapos yung naka-graph siya na ganito. So, makikita mo. And then, pwede mo siyang i-download yung response nila into spreadsheet. So, i-click natin itong spreadsheet. Create. Okay, so makikita mo dito sa spreadsheet even the time, date and time kung kailan sumagot yung respondents mo. And then, this spreadsheet can be downloaded into Excel form. So, click mo yung file, click download, and then Microsoft Excel. So, you have the offline copy of this, of the responses of the people you want to ask for their information using this Google form. Okay, so yun yung yun yung paraan kung paano gumawa ng isang Google form. Okay, you can actually use also Google form if you want to create quizzes, online quizzes for your students. If you're a teacher, you can always do that. Or if you are just asking a simple survey, what I did a while ago is possible. So again, if you accidentally close this program here, okay, kunwari nasarado mo, and then you want to check the responses, so punta ka lang sa Google Drive mo, and since recent activity mo yun, makikita mo siya agad dito. Okay, or pag magsa-search ka naman dito sa may ano yung hinahanap mo, yung forms or spreadsheet, kasi ginawa na natin siya ng links sa spreadsheets, yung responses nila, di ba? So kailan, who owns it? Ikaw. Tapos kailan mo siya na-view, sabihin natin today. Okay? Kunwari lang kapag na-close mo yung kung gusto mo makita kung ilan yung sumagot after ilang minuto. And then click search. Yan, so ibibigay niya yung based doon sa information na binigay mo. So personal information, ito yon. So i-click na natin. Yan, pwede mong ma-view na yung sagot ulit. So just in case you want to check the responses, ganun din through your Google Drive. Okay, so thank you very much for listening.